In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to raise and lower your headlights in a Chrysler 200. This is going to be the same from 2011 to 2014. Maybe your car was in a body shop, maybe you installed some aftermarket lights. Whatever the case may be of why they're misaligned, we'll go ahead and get that straightened out and get your car back on the road. Alright, so I'm on the driver's side. I'm coming to the back side of the housing, and you'll see I'm closing in on this hole right here. It's kind of way down in there. That's where we're going to be inserting a screwdriver. Here on the passenger side, you have the same hole. It is right there. Those are the two adjustment holes that we're going to be looking at. What you need is a long, skinny Phillips head screwdriver. So if you take a look at this one, it is long, but it is too big of diameter. You need a small diameter Phillips head screwdriver. Look at this screwdriver. It is a small diameter, but it is not long enough. So we need a small diameter Phillips screwdriver, and we need it to be at least 6.5 inches long. I've got my screwdriver down inside the adjustment hole. And if you look on top of your housing, you'll see a U and a D. Well, it just means up and down. So if I rotate my screwdriver clockwise, it's going to bring the headlights up. If I rotate my screwdriver counterclockwise, it's going to bring the headlights down. So I need to bring the headlights up on this vehicle. So I'm going to rotate it clockwise, one full turn. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the passenger side. Now, if you don't have a Phillips head screwdriver, you see that nut right there? You can also turn that with a 7mm socket. It's a little bit hard to get into, but you can adjust it that way as well. It's going to be the same thing. You turn that bolt head clockwise, it's going to bring your headlights up. Counterclockwise, going to bring the headlights down. That's all there is to it, guys. Just adjust this with one full turn at a time. Go out and test it at night or in the morning and see if it's where you like it. A lot of times these 200s are a little bit low. They have a really sharp cutoff line, so you got to raise them up a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.